Hey guys and welcome. This video is on the plugin assembly line furnace. Basically what it does is lets you place a furnace with a chest next to it. It will take the items out of one chest and then put them into another. You will need this permission node for it to work, assembly line furnace use. So obviously put that in your permissions plugin and that will work perfectly. You start off by building it. You need 3 chests like this with a furnace in the middle. So the first chest is the one that you put your raw materials in. So I'll put 1 gold, 1 diamond and 1 iron in here. Then the chest behind it, this is the one that the fuel goes in. So obviously you can just put in 2 coal, 2 stick, whatever you want, any fuel will work. And then the last one is where it will go once it's been cooked. And then you just left click on the furnace and you can see that it's been activated and it's taken the item out, it's taken the fuel out and it's now cooking. And then once it's cooked you'll see it will change to the diamond block. And then the cooked block will actually be in the chest next to it. So I'll just quickly run through this cycle just to show you it works. And this will actually work for all raw blocks as well as items such as foods. So pork chops will cook and beef will cook. So anything you can normally put in a furnace will work. And you can see it displays a message when it's done. So you can see all 3 have done and it said that it's done smelting. It's telling you this because there's still fuel in it. It'll also do the same message if it runs out of fuel, which I'll show you in a second. Here's an example of how you could build it into your house. So you just pop all your blocks in from one of your chests, put your fuel in, and quickly do an example with just a couple, as I said, just to show you that it does run out of fuel and it will warn you. So if I click, you'll see that sticks burn really quickly, and then it will display a custom message in a second that says that I need to top it up again. So you can see one of your furnaces has ran out of fuel. So I'll quickly just have a look inside. You can see it has ran out of fuel now. Look in the right hand chest, there'll be a block of gold. Left hand chest, you'll see the gold's been taken out. And in the back chest you can see that there's no fuel. So if I fill it up and then left click again, starts the process up. So I really love this plugin. I think it's an easy way to cook all your items without having to have multiple furnaces or other things like that, or having to wait. There'll be a download link to it in the description below. I'll definitely be installing it on my server, and as always guys, please remember to rate, subscribe and comment. Cheers!